Hey, welcome everybody. My name's Nick. I'm going to take you through the setup process on the dashboard and how to get all your growth automation running and targeting the audiences that you make. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come into the dashboard and you're going to see this page right here. If you didn't add your Instagram yet during the sign up process, you're going to want to go up to the top here and hit add one where it says you do not have an account. Let's go ahead and do that right now. So now we're on the edit Instagram page. You're gonna want to put in your Instagram username right here. Now this is your username, it's not your email address attached to your Instagram. There's a difference. And then you're gonna put your password right here on the bottom. One of the first things you wanna do, just as a recommendation to make things easier for you, is to go ahead and go into your settings on your Instagram app, and you're going to turn off two-factor authentication. It's going to be one of the options as you're scrolling through your profile. So it'll be right here, two-factor authentication, and then you're going to go into that and you're going to turn require security code to off or enable disable 2FA. You might have a different message, just disable. Okay. The next thing I would recommend is this button right here, which is switch to a business profile. If you don't have a business profile, it doesn't cost anything. You just enable it. And essentially what it does is you can put call to actions in your profile, like email me, call me, book me through X appointment system. You probably won't use any of those, but the main point here is you'll be able to see more Instagram stats like profile visits by week, clicks through your profile to a URL, maybe you're selling a product or a service. Those are things that you really want to be tracking. Your top content, the best demographics that are visiting your profile, male, female, location, things like that. So go ahead and switch to a business profile. It's just better all around. After that, you can hit save on your Instagram settings here. And once you hit save on that Instagram settings page, our software is basically going to try to log in with a dedicated IP address that's assigned to manage your Instagram account, okay? What happens generally when we do that first initial login with the software is you'll get something like this. This would appear when you open your Instagram app. So you'll see some random location, right? That'll just be where that IP address is logging in from. Do not click this wasn't me. That will flag your IP and it will not let our software log in, and you'll get stuck in this loop where it'll ask you every time we try to do something on your behalf to grow your account. So click this was me, okay? And then you'll do that once. And then the other thing you might do is you might get an email from us that looks like this. And it has a link in it that says challenge, and it has some random ID at the end of it. Okay, you're gonna wanna click that challenge. It'll open up Instagram, and then it'll usually have send me a verification code thing, and you'll get a text message or an email with a code. You put that code in to where that URL is, it'll have a box for it, and then from there you'll be completely validated and authorized for your Instagram account. So after that, we should be able to log in. You should be able to go to create audience, make any audience target you want, and then after 24 hours or so, you can head over to the analytics page and see all the activity, see all your growth, bunch of really cool stats to help you grow. So I hope that helps you get started, and welcome to the platform.